My name is Dr Md Omar Faruk. I came from Bangladesh, physical medicine specialist. It is very nice delivery and organization structure. Pain is very complex, complex symptom, but this learning process is very easy, and all of the procedure easily and enjoyable manner learning, and I take it very easily, and I think that everyone can come here and give so much so lot of information about pain management easily and enjoyable manner. I expect there is so much more than expect this organization. Thank you all Daradia and Daradia Corporation. Corporation staff all is very good and very patient, and they help us. All of this stuff help us. You do very good. After that you not take you not have so much time. Now you have to give time for the learning. It is very inspiring. Thank you Daradia, thank you my teacher Dr Gautam Das, and he inspired me for the next course, for the next time I will come back inshallah. I think that it helped me also all of you.